Naglaro agad si Jim Shop mga idol pagdating si Pinas pagkatapos ang kanilang successful UK tour sa PBA Motor Club para tulungan naman niya ang kanyang team na Huangshu Lamtic Spikes sa semifinals ng Filipino-Chinese League. Inri team pa rin siya mga idol, parang walang gitlag. Nagpakawala agad ng ilang trees sa beyond the arc. At Kent Bono mga idol, parang nagprito lang sa 3-point line at nabigay pa ng magandang assist. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanilang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
And third seed. Wala si James Shop ha? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Oh,
Wala rin si Ken Bono.
Ken Bono. And kanina, Albert Chua. Kala natin wala.
Ruday bringing down the basketball para sa mga nakaputi na Washington College Lamtic Spikes. Rodney Seiko with a 3-5-0 start for Washington College Iloilo. Medyo maraming nangyayari dito sa paligid.
Napapaligon tayo sa kaliwat kanan eh.
And a big time on the end. Low score sa panig ng Grace Christian Goodfellow Pharma.
Sa ganda ng nilaro nila last game. Medyo nahihirapan sila makapulitis dito. And that's just to get the shot clock down.
Leo Canuday firing away, getting it to go down. 12-2. Jose Villegas getting aggressive. The layup is in underneath that time around. Albert Chua open, takes the throw. It's the first field goal.
Nakalimang 3-pointers yan.
Grabe eh, no? Senyales ba yan? Una pa lang yan.
They'll be needing more of that. What a tough shot, no? Benji.
Floyd Ong. And right now,
Uy, 2 against 4.
oh, Leo not exactly seeing the natural game faces ng mga players ng Grace Christian Goodfellow Pharma. Ragdi Cinco from the outside. And that's a...
Then siya na ang go-to guy dito for Washington.
They have this next man up attitude. Floyd Ong with a catch and shoot. Cross court. Ragdi Cinco once again with a basketball. Firing away and getting another.
Oo,
Papunta
pwede.
rito sa court. James Yap. Sabi sa'yo, coach, nag-warm up yan ng jogging papunta dito.
James Yap, first shot, connecting kaagad. And who needs a warm-up? If they want to pressure, this is the right time to pressure without a Canuday. Point guard.
Washington College, who just shot 16% in the first quarter against the 50% shooting of Washington. Teneso going inside. Right. It's the smart 5 on the floor. James Yap with another 3 offline that time. Look at this. Ragni Cinco. Jose Villegas. Leo Canuday. James Yap. Yes, that's right. He's back. Oh my goodness, naibali pa.
Well, cool na cool. Dahan-dahan. Inilapit lang doon. And good pass by out. Parehas hindi pa nagpapalit ng depensa. Nakatao-tao ang Lamtex. Naka 2-3 zone ang Grace alumni.
A three-pointer. Leo Canuday. Yado. Ken Bono has arrived, Coach Edster.
Points against CKSC.
May agaw si Albert Chua. This has got to be the easiest shot here in the Galip. James Shop against Gilbert Sanidad. James Shop goes for the 3. That's his second three-pointer. Playing basketball.
Same defense that they applied against CKSC.
Teneso. Hits another 3. Washington College, Iloilo. Lamtex Pipes twice to beat. This is now a big 27-point lead. And look at this! Yung mga bagot. 29 points. Alvin Lim. Oh, pumasok! Richland Teneso. Play broken up. Here comes Grace in transition. Albert Chua with a layup.
Defense or yung pag-safety na itong Hwaseong.
Going for the last shot ng Hwaseong with a big 22-point lead. Wow, Leo Canunay, bukas na bukas. Diretso lang. Kaya pa ba? Albert Chua, 2 seconds remaining. Bitin. Saan yun ang mga nandito sa SGS?
Yun yung pamangkin ko, si Jessica, nanonood dito for Lamtex Pipe.
In the meantime, taking a look at James Yap right now, creating separation. And that's his third three-pointer here in this semi-final game. Allow the rebound, and here comes Albert Chua. Quick pass. Alantan, finally! Lumalabas kasi ngayon, kung nakakatatlong press na si James Yap, I do believe he's now the number 1 three-point shooter. Vin Lim. And there, quick turn and a jumper from Oliver Lau, and he's got 4.
And BYD Valenzuela supporting our league. Nice move by Alan Nansuntan.
Albert Chua back to the floor. Alantan getting another layup. A three-pointer for Albert Chua, knocking it down. Albert Chua earlier had a 3. The jump hook that goes and rolled. 8 rebounds and 2 assists.
Grace Alumni umapalag dito sa third quarter.
James Yap. That one-hander push shot trademark. Nahigop pa ng ring yung bola.
Against 3 defenders.
James Yap has 13 points in a ball game. GS. He makes his first basket. Live stream coverage everywhere. This could be counted kung pumasok.
Pero ito malupit. Jeff Ang nanonood sa BYDC Lion 6 niya.
Oh. Meron pa tayo from...
Sa defensive end naman, nagpakita itong si Alvin Brian Lin.
Siyempre, mga nanonood sa atin buhat sa Iloilo. Ragdi 5 goes cross court to James Yap. James Yap against Dexter Kuan.
Legend against legend.
And James Yap with a jump hook that goes in. James Yap with a banking shot. 17 in the ball game. Pagkakataon. And Leo Canuta. Hwaseong College Lamtex Pipes. Alvin Lim flips it up, banks it in.
We're trying to greet the live stream watchers that we have here. Close to 600 of them.
Alvin Lim with a catch and shoot. Chua. Albert Chua going to Dunhill D. Fires the three. No!
That would have been big para sa Grace Alumni.
And Ragni 5, abang will try to salvage just in case they lose this. For the battle for third, Ken Bono with his first three-pointer here in this ball game.
Alam, babanggitin ko pa lang kanina na itong Ken Bono, hindi pa tumitikada ng tres eh.
And Albert Chua offline with his three-pointer. Albert Chua ends up with the basketball. Alan Tan goes reverse. No? Ako. Sabi siguro rin James Yap. Ako, pangilan ako. Actually, Diego Rizaga getting a nice pass from Ken Bono. And then, sa laki ba ng kamay dito si James Yap. Kumukuha ng steal. Isang kamay lang, you know? Ken Bono! 2, 3 tries. Wala pa rin. Fourth. Yun pa yung pumasok. 62. And it seems this is going to be another one of those convincing games here. It's Chua.
Nowhere to go there. But he got it back.
He goes for the layup. He scores and he's waiting for Ruben Kua to get himself on the board here. And as for Charles Albert Chua, 48 seconds to play here in this semi-final game. And no doubt about it, this is going to be another victory. Dunhill T. And that's how it ended right here.